The St. James police are looking for Romario or Ricardo Pusey, otherwise called Yam. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in St. James are asking the public to be on the lookout for Romario or Ricardo Pusey, otherwise called Yam. He is wanted for 3 counts of murder. It is reported that Yam frequents Rose Heights area in the parish. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Romario or Ricardo Pusey is being urged to contact the Montego Bay Police at 876-979-8452, Crime Stop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.